Ophelia says, what percentage of American casualties was the V10 accountable for? Oh, the engine? V10? The V10. V10 just kicked in, yo. Looks like this. See, I only thought it went up to V8, but that's not true. It goes all the way up to V10, guys. There's 10 trumpets, so it makes like super duper ultra mega power. It goes, you know what? Let's see what a V10 sounds like. Wait, there's American V8 versus Italian V8. Hold on, let's see which one's. Mamma mia! Okay, there it is. Rum. Uh-huh. Oh boy. Oh boy! Okay. A flat pane V8, the Italian one. Okay, let's see. I mean... yeah. Wow. I mean, no comparison. The Italian one sounds better. I'm being biased. I know. I'm bad. Just, oh, there's a V12? Okay, now this is just ridiculous. How many Vs are they putting in there? They're gonna run out of space. Oh boy. That sounds alright. Okay. Ooh. I mean, I kind of like the sound of the V6, but obviously the V12 probably goes faster. Toyota Yaris GR Rally pure cylinder engine sounds. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Okay. It sounds very buzzy. Ooh, look at those flaps fly. Wow. Oh, that's a good dory. Oh, he's spinning. Is he spinning it on purpose? Okay, I think he's spinning. Yeah, now he's just being a show off. Okay, this is the 4AG independent throttle body Symphony, and this is a black top with a 20 valve engine. Oh, it's so pretty. Wow. Well, look at these guys moving. Oh, that's a beautiful 8.6. Wow. Oh, that sounds gorgeous.
Two-stroke.
Oh boy. Look at all the smoke coming out. That's okay. That's normal. Oh my. Let's see. Wow.
That's the engine.
Wow. Oh goodness. That's a lot going on there. Oh, there's the radiator.
Beautiful.
Wow, there's a...
3-cylinder.
Yeah.
Tiny little head.
This thing has seen better days. This is like a Russian channel. That's cool.